Hey, welcome back to Always Learning. What are we doing today? Well, today we're learning how to take care of brush. I've got some tree limbs here that are kind of getting low, so I'm going to take them out and show you how to bundle them up so the trash will take them. And what I've got here is a pair of pliers, and then I'm going to use wire. You can also use string. Wire tends to work better, in my opinion. I'm simply going to pull it out, step on it, stretch it out. You're going to come here in the top. You're just going to make a loop. Come down here. Cut it. Now you got a loop with no end and a one with a loop on it. Here's how I make that end. I simply just take part of it and you loop it over. Okay, like that. Kind of form an X down there, and you simply grab this with your pliers so you hold both ends of it. Okay, and then just simply twist. I got this wire at Lowe's. You can get it, Woodard Mercantile. You can get it at any big box store too, but just get you some wire. It'll hold it, and it deteriorates pretty fast, so if you're taking it to the dump, it'll be gone pretty quickly. That's it. That's one end, and the other end is just straight. So then what I do is I lay them out. You can see here you've got the one wide end, that's the straight end, and one wide end, that's the straight end. Okay, and then over here I've got a blue, that's where my loop is, and then over here where my other loop that I created is. So that way when I do it, I can pull this way and then I can pull that way, and it just helps cinch it up pretty tight. Depending on, I usually make mine about 5 feet across going this way, so I'll just lay them inside the middle of that and then wrap them. You can usually make it, I don't know, 3-4 feet high. If you want to make it higher, just make longer, maybe 7 foot instead of, I'm 5'8", so I just stretch mine out to where I feel like it's about 6 foot and cut it off. So I'm working about 6 foot strands of wire, but you can do the same thing with string too. I just feel like the wire is a little more durable and cinches it down a little bit better. All right, so you've got your wire laid out with the loops on opposite sides, and like I said, they're about 3 feet apart, and then you just lay your brush in alternating fashion, so the thick end goes one way and then the thick end goes the other way, and just keep alternating. So, and I get it about 3 feet high. If you need to make it higher or you're going to do bigger brush piles, it's just easy for me to carry about 3 feet high. I'll just make more groups, but once you get it done, I'm going to take the loop end, and then I take the straight end and I simply run the straight end through the loop end, and then you just start pulling on it, and then you put your foot on it to cinch it tight, and then you bend it back towards you, and that crease with the tension on it will hold it in place, and then that gives you time to take the excess wire and to wrap it around that loop you've created. And then once you get it spun around there, you can actually on both, once you've connected both of those loops and you've got them all cinched down and wrapped around the wire, then you can actually, if there's enough excess, you can take that excess like I'm doing here, and you can loop them together in a handle to make it easier to carry.